The DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the highly anticipated successor to the Pocket 3, and a device that promises to redefine what it means to vlog on the go. Whether you're a YouTuber, travel filmmaker, live streamer, or everyday storyteller, the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate vlogging beast of 2025. This groundbreaking 3-axis gimbal camera fuses stunning stabilization, upgraded sensor technology, and an AI-infused shooting experience into a compact form factor that fits in the palm of your hand. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From 4K cinematic storytelling to low-light performance, improved audio, and smart subject tracking, the Osmo Pocket 4 is more than just a camera, it's your creative sidekick. In this video, we'll explore everything from the design and hardware upgrades to the software enhancements, smart features, and how it stands out in a competitive creator landscape. At first glance, the Osmo Pocket 4 retains the iconic pen-sized, vertically oriented body design that fans have grown to love. However, DJI has refined every detail. The build is slightly more robust, with better thermal management and textured grip for secure handheld use even during long shoots. Its 2-inch rotatable touchscreen is now brighter, sharper, and fully articulating, giving creators more flexibility for selfie vlogging, low-angle shots, and tricky framing. The new OLED touchscreen offers touch precision and better outdoor visibility. The button layout is reworked for intuitive control, with a multifunction joystick that handles zoom, pan, and menu navigation more smoothly than ever before. A built-in cold shoe mount and 1/4 thread on the bottom ensure compatibility with tripods, extension rods, and accessories. DJI clearly understands that content creators demand flexibility, and they've delivered. One of the most talked about upgrades in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its new 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive leap from the 1/1.7-inch sensor in the previous model. This enhancement brings the camera on par with more professional-grade compact shooters. You'll now get better dynamic range, richer color depth, and vastly improved low-light capabilities. Whether you're capturing a golden hour vlog on a mountain hike or a nighttime street food tour in Tokyo, the Osmo Pocket 4 handles shadows and highlights effortlessly. HDR video is now native, and users can shoot in 4K 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion, or 8K time-lapse modes for stunning environmental storytelling. With D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth support, color grading has never been easier or more cinematic. Of course, what sets the Osmo Pocket series apart from competitors is the true 3-axis mechanical stabilization. In Pocket 4, this gimbal stabilization has been refined to deliver ultra-steady footage even in high-motion scenarios like running, biking, or handheld walking shots. DJI has also introduced a new steady active mode, where the gimbal works in harmony with electronic image stabilization, EIS, for pro-level results. The gimbal response speed is faster and smoother, which means subject tracking and horizon leveling are even more precise. No more crooked frames or shaky clips when filming dynamic action. Combine this with the new AI-powered Face Priority Tracking 4.0 and you've got a camera that keeps you in frame, in focus, and front and center, perfect for solo creators. DJI has finally addressed one of the biggest weaknesses of earlier Osmo Pocket models: audio quality. With the Pocket 4, audio recording gets a full overhaul. A new quad mic array is built in, with directional beamforming and wind noise suppression. This